What's up? This is a box of Topps 2008 Letterman football that me and my brother ordered because it's quite an expensive product, but Blowout was having a sale on it, so we decided to try a box out. We'll go ahead and open the big box. There's 3 mini boxes inside of it. Alright. And that slides out of that. And there's the 3 mini boxes right there. So we'll open one on each side, and then whichever one has the best card, we'll open the middle one. So I'll start with this one right here. And you get 1 autographed Letterman, 1 autographed jersey card, and 1 patch card per master box. And it's in a little silver cellophane type pack, it looks like. And yes, you can feel a patch in the front, so the hit card is on the front. So I'm not going to open it like usual, because when you pull it back like that, it bends the front 2 corners there, and I don't want the hit to get bent, so I will cut it open. And there's the autograph Letterman right off the bat. Andre Caldwell for the Bengals. That is closest NFL team to here, and I did get that logo autograph of him and the Leaf certified, so I definitely hope Caldwell does good, because I've got a lot of cards of him.
What's it numbered to?
19 of 35, not bad at all. So it's the D from the Caldwell. An autograph, 19 of 35, not a bad Letterman autograph. And the base cards, Jay Cutler out of 949, LaDainian Tomlinson out of 949, and Eric Ainge X-Fractor, 12 of 25, nice card there too. So that's the first pack with the Andre Caldwell autograph Letterman. Alright, so now he's going to open the one on this end, and then whichever one has the better card, we'll open the middle one. Just slide out that L one there.
So I gotta cut it up top.
Yeah, just...
Does it matter if I do that? Or did it strip it completely off?
Doesn't matter.
Which end do you want me to cut it from?
It doesn't matter, just right there. Make sure you don't cut the car.
No. Let me show the first one.
Yeah.
See here. It's a 49er.
Open it towards the camera.
There we go. It's a 49er right there.
It's an E.
Frank Gore. Wow, dude.
Well,
that's a
it's
big
an
one.
X-Fractor
Yeah.
too.
So it's number
That's
2.
nice. An E X-Fractor.
2 of 3, man. 2
Dang.
of 3.
That's, I didn't know they were that low numbered. I don't know if that's a red X-Fractor or
that's
just
a
a
good one.
regular X-Fractor or what. That's bad.
Next one is a Carson Palmer, numbered to 949. The next one is a Peyton Manning, my favorite player, numbered to 949. Oh, I didn't show you the Peyton. Next one is Dixon of the Steelers, Dennis Dixon, numbered to 419. And that's that.
Now to the third pack.
And
you will open it because that card was numbered out of 3, and that was probably a little better. So this is the last one. It should be an, well, there's an autographed jersey, and then just the jersey, so it should be the autographed jersey card, because, yeah, the other one was the autographed Letterman. And some of the big things in this are the booklet cards, which look really nice, and then the gold carat cards, and the rookie logo cards, and the rookie dual logo cards, booklets. I think the booklets and those come 1 per case.
You ready?
Yeah, should be an autographed jersey card.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Whoa, that is bad.
Yeah, Kevin Smith.
A refractor rookie card logo autograph. That is bad.
Number 2 out of 10.
Dang, that is crazy. That was my favorite rookie at the beginning of the year, too. That is bad. That's definitely one of the best, my favorite rookies by far this year, him and Chris Johnson. That is awesome.
The next one is Lawrence Taylor, numbered to 949, LT, the original.
Just put it out.
Next one is a Terry Bradshaw of 949. Next one is a Dexter Jackson of 419.
And that is the box. We can do a quick recap real quick. The 3 main hits, very nice box, are the Andre Caldwell autographed Letterman, the Gore Letterman X-Fractor out of 3, and that awesome Kevin Smith. These are just 1 per case, so that's the case hit. 2 of 10, just the regular one out of 99 is the case hit. And this one is this is an amazing card. So that box was definitely worth it. Got the case hit and then a card out of 3, so that was definitely worth it. Very good product there. Topps Letterman. So I'll see you next time.